Good afternoon, everybody. Well, I'm kind of sick of being up in the attic, so I thought I'd take a week to paint a wall in my room and rearrange some things that I've been wanting to do for a while. So here I am making a border around the ceiling of the wall. It's about 3 inches from the top to give it a fake trim look. I really like the way the look is overall once it's all done. So stick around to the end and see how the white border at the top looks. And here I am covering up a bunch of scuff marks on the wall, just so it will get covered on the first coat. Time to take the tape off and see what the finished wall looks like. So today I wanted to put together a piece of furniture. It's a long table that I think will look really nice against the wall. Right now I'm just lining up the lights to make them even across the bottom, giving one a kiss. And then using double-sided tape to try to attach the lights. I'm planning on reusing them somewhere else eventually, but for right now I'm going to use them here. So let's see how it works. And the moment of defeat. The double-sided tape did not work at all. But I just used my go-to of blue tape and attached it with blue tape underneath. In the end, you can't see it, and it's just to illuminate underneath the table. The last day of working on the wall and setting everything up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button and please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.